The Binmotor all-weather floor mat set is precisely shaped for the Chevrolet Sonic sedan, so the edges and contours follow the factory flooring very closely without interfering with the pedals. Made from thermoplastic elastomer, the mats feel flexible yet substantial underfoot, giving the cabin long-term protection from wear instead of cracking or curling over time. Raised borders and deep channels around the mats and cargo liner help trap water, mud, and road salt, which keeps the carpet underneath much cleaner in harsh weather. The textured surface pattern and integrated retention clips keep the mats securely in place, so your feet have consistent traction and the driver's side mat does not slide around. Because the material is fully waterproof and stain-resistant, you can pull the mats out, hose them off, and have them looking fresh again with very little effort. Coverage extends through both seating rows and into the trunk area, creating a coordinated, factory-like look while shielding high-traffic zones from grime and spills.